Hello everyone. Welcome here at TechAid TV. In for today's video is we have this Epson EcoTank L5290 printer having a broken line printout problem. In this video, I'm gonna show you the basic and simple printhead cleaning maintenance to remove any broken line printout problem of your Epson printers. So now I run a nozzle check print quality check. And here we were going to check first the nozzle check print quality to show you the actual printout of this unit. So as we can see here, that black printout is having an issue as we notice here on its nozzle check print quality it has a broken and missing line segments. We can fix this printout issue by just only performing a regular printhead cleaning maintenance on this Epson EcoTank L5290 printer. So the first step that we need to do before performing printhead cleaning is we need to check your tank ink level and refill it if necessary. Then proceed on your printer's control panel. Then here it says, are there any missing segment? Then select yes. Then select yes again to perform printhead cleaning. And press OK, and then press start. Printhead cleaning takes about 3 minutes, so just wait on it until progress bar completely full or printhead cleaning cycle is completed. When performing printhead cleaning, you must load an A4 size of paper on your printer's paper tray, because when cleaning is completed, it will automatically print the nozzle check print quality pattern. Then now printer is preparing to print the nozzle check print quality pattern. Then, here's now the printout result after printhead cleaning is completed. As we notice here, that the missing segment on black printout is successfully resolved by just only performing the regular printhead cleaning maintenance. And that's how simple it is to perform printhead cleaning and fix the broken printout problem on this Epson EcoTank L5290 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.